If you drive every day, a dash cam is no longer optional, it's protection. Please watch this full video to find out which dash cam is the best overall in 2026. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams for 2026 based on video quality, night vision, reliability, parking protection, smart features, and real-world performance. We'll start from number 5 and work our way to the best dash cam, so stay with us till the end. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. ROVE R2 4K. The ROVE R2 4K Dual features true 4K front recording, Full HD rear camera, and a Sony Starvis 2 sensor for improved low-light clarity. It includes built-in GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and comes with a free 128 GB memory card. Product review. This dash cam delivers excellent daytime clarity and solid night performance at a very competitive price. The fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes downloading footage quick and easy, which is especially useful after an incident. Product pros. Sharp 4K front video, fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi with mobile app, built-in GPS tracking, excellent value for money. Number 4. 70mm A810. The 70mm A810 offers 4K front and rear recording, Starvis 2 HDR night vision, and optional 4G LTE connectivity. It also includes ADAS driver assistance, AI motion detection, and 24/7 parking surveillance. Product review. This dashcam stands out for its smart features and cloud connectivity potential. It's ideal for drivers who want advanced safety alerts and intelligent parking monitoring. Product pros. Excellent night vision performance, ADAS safety features, optional 4G LTE support, reliable parking mode. Number 3. VIOFO A229 Pro. The VIOFO A229 Pro features dual Starvis 2 sensors, recording in 4K front, 2K rear with HDR support. It includes voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, and advanced night vision 2.0. Product review. This dashcam is known for video clarity and reliability, especially in low light and high contrast conditions. It's a strong choice for users who prioritize image quality and consistent performance. Product pros. Outstanding video clarity, dual Starvis 2 sensors, reliable HDR night recording, excellent build quality. Number 2. Vantrue N4 5S. The Vantrue N4 5S is a 4-channel dashcam offering 360 degrees coverage, recording front, rear, inside, and side. It uses Starvis 2 sensors, supports buffered 24/7 parking mode, dual GPS, and voice control. Product review. This is one of the most complete dashcam systems available, ideal for rideshare drivers, families, and fleet vehicles. Its all-around coverage provides unmatched peace of mind. Product pros. True 360-degree recording, excellent night vision on all channels, advanced parking protection, perfect for rideshare and commercial use. Number 1. Vantrue N4 Pro S. The Vantrue N4 Pro S features triple Starvis 2 sensors, recording in 4K front, 1080p interior, and 2.5K rear. It includes HDR IR night vision, voice control, Wi-Fi, GPS, and supports up to 1 terabyte storage. Product review. This dashcam delivers the best balance of video quality, reliability, and feature set in 2026. In real-world driving, it consistently captures clear license plates, accurate colors, and excellent night footage. Product pros. Exceptional video quality on all cameras, industry-leading night vision, reliable parking mode, premium build and performance. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. If you want the best dashcam overall in 2026, the Vantrue N4 Pro S is the clear winner. It offers top-tier image quality, full coverage, and dependable performance, making it the best choice for most drivers. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more top 5 tech reviews.